Look at the port. As you can see, we have the N terminal, the L, and the ground terminal. There are two ground terminals on this socket. So this is the frame of the switch, and this is what gives agility to the switch and socket. So there are other sockets that don't have this metallic frame. So when buying a socket, you should take a look whether it has a metallic frame. It's very important. Now we are going to enter into the internal component of the switch. So I'm going to remove the cover, the inner cover, and you will see the composition of this socket. Okay, here is it. Kindly take a look. We've succeeded to remove it, and this is it. This is a plastic. It's still made of PC. So we have already done with the rest. So we are going to look at the internal composition of the socket. As you can see, this internal composition is made up of different metals, and you can even differentiate them by the colors. Others are to be differentiated by the temperature. But nevertheless, kindly take a look of the composition. Kindly take a look at the composition. So this is a phosphorus bonds, and this phosphorus bonds has a composition at the little contact point, and this is what determines the agility of a socket and switch, because whenever the switch is being tested or whenever you are using it, the times plug insertion and withdrawal at that point, if the metal is not strong enough, it may affect the resistance of the switch. That is why our socket have been tested 40,000 times, plug insertion and withdrawal, which means our socket and switch are designed for more than 2 decades. So kindly take a look. This metal is also a phosphorus bonds, and the other one, it is a copper. The contact point is made up of copper with selective silver plated. So let us take a look at how it connect and disconnect itself. So let us take a look at how it disconnects itself. And this is what happens whenever you on and off the switch. it hit the contact point and it's been disconnected. So welcome to the MACVY factory to consult and to buy your original switch and socket. Thanks for watching.